Printify and Printful are two e-commerce tools used to sell. This video compares both services to find the best option for your brand. While both apps ship, they have very different approaches to cost and quality, so we analysed the selection, production, plans, and connections, plus two other key areas to see which one performs better. By the end, you'll know which print-on-demand platform is right for you. Printify and Printful. Product selection and costs. Printify and Printful handle your products differently. Printify acts as a network of independent print providers. Because they use a network model, they offer unlimited product designs for your store. This variety makes it easy to find specific items, and since printers compete for your business, base prices are often lower, helping you to keep more profit. However, using different shops can lead to multiple shipping fees if a customer buys items produced in different locations. Printful acts as the manufacturer for its 483 custom products. They own the facilities and equipment, giving them direct control over the process. This usually leads to a slightly higher base cost, but the pricing is simple and you don't have to hunt for deals across different suppliers. Instead, you pay for the ease of having one company handle everything from start to finish. For new sellers, Printify's lower costs are tempting, but Printful offers a smoother, automated workflow for those who want less daily management. Printify and Printful production and quality. Printful's in-house equipment allows for a very strict and consistent quality control process. Every black t-shirt you order should look nearly identical because it's made on the same type of machinery in their global facilities. This consistency is a major selling point because it builds long-term trust with your customers. After using the service for a few months, you'll notice the experience stays very stable. You rarely have to worry about products suddenly going out of stock because they manage their own inventory levels directly. Printify works differently because they connect you to independent shops, so the quality can change depending on which printer you pick. They help you manage this by giving each printer a score based on real user reviews. This gives you more control over your supply chain, but it means you have to do more research and order your own samples to see which printer you prefer. Over 90 days of usage, Printify can feel more hands-on. If a specific shop runs out of a popular shirt, you may need to manually switch your orders to a different shop in their network to keep your business moving. That covers the production and quality for both platforms. If you've already decided which one you want, you can find the affiliate links for Printify and Printful in the description. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's compare the subscription plans of Printify and Printful. Both of these tools offer free versions to help you get started without paying anything up front. Printify and Printful's subscription plans. Both tools offer free plans to get started for $0 a month. As your brand grows, you'll likely want to upgrade for better margins. Printful Growth costs $24.99 a month. The best part is that this plan becomes completely free if you reach $12,000 in yearly sales. This plan gives you up to 33% of product pricing and 25% off sample orders. Their enterprise tier is built for large brands and includes a dedicated success manager. Printify's premium plan costs $39 per month monthly or $24.99 per month if you pay for the year. This plan is popular because it provides up to a 33% discount on new products. While the free plan allows for 5 stores, the premium plan is listed as supporting up to 10 stores. For very high volume sellers, Printify Enterprise offers unlimited stores and additional discounts on all products. Printify and Printful store connections. Connecting your store is where the automation begins. Printful has a strong advantage here, connecting to over 20 e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and eBay. They even offer unlimited stores and 10 quick stores on their free plan. Setup is a simple process, and once linked, the software manages your orders automatically. This saves you hours of manual work every week. Printify connects to popular platforms and allows you to manage orders with Printify Connect. While the total number of integrations isn't specified in their current plans, they cover the major players like Shopify and Etsy. Both platforms allow you to connect your stores for free, but marketplaces like Etsy will still charge their own listing fees. If you use a standard setup, both tools will work perfectly to automate your fulfillment. Printify and Printful customer support. Printful provides 24/7 customer support. Since they own the factories, their team can see exactly what's happening with an order in real time, allowing for fast response times. This is a massive lifesaver during a busy holiday season. Printful also offers expert help to build and manage your store through their enterprise level of service. Printify also offers 24/7 support and includes one-on-one mentorship and support with Sellers Club Pro for premium members. They also use Printify Connect to help manage orders. It may take longer to get answers from their network of printers, but these tools are designed to help you scale. If you prefer the fastest answers directly from the source, Printiful's in-house model is often the preferred choice for support. Printify and Printful technical design limits. There are some technical rules you need to know before you start designing. Printful is very flexible with file sizes, allowing you to upload designs up to 200 megabytes. This is perfect for artists who want to print high-detail paintings or large photos. However, they mostly accept PNG or JPEG files for their products. Printify has a smaller 100 megabyte limit for standard files, but offers a big advantage for graphic designers. They allow you to upload SVG files. This lets you scale your art up or down without ever losing quality. Both companies have mobile apps that allow you to track your sales and shipping updates while you're away from your desk. While these apps are helpful for managing your business, they're not ideal for doing actual design work. You'll find that the mobile versions are missing the precise tools you need to line up your logo perfectly or to edit small details. For the best results, you should always do your main design and setup on a computer and use the phone app just for quick check-ins and notifications. Summary and final verdict. Choosing between these two tools comes down to money versus time. You should pick Printify if you want the lowest possible prices and the biggest variety of items. It's the best choice if you're a hustler who doesn't mind managing different suppliers to make more profit on every sale. You should pick Printful if you want consistent quality and fast, direct support. It's the best choice if you want a simple system where one company handles everything, even if the base cost is a few dollars higher. Both platforms are free to join, so sign up for both and see which design tool feels better for you. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. So, are you going for the lower costs of Printify or the consistent quality of Printful? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.